It's a great day at Mills Motors, 240 Bond Street East in Oshawa. Let's check out the 2020 GMC Terrain SLE front wheel drive. 17-inch aluminum wheels with the Michelin all-season tires. Cloth upholstery. Power driver adjustable seat with lumbar supports. And you do have the driver blind spot sensor there, so that's going to light up if you have someone in your blind spot. And you have a power liftgate release button. Lots to see here in this SLE Terrain, so let's climb on in and have a look around. I got a leather wrapped steering wheel and the forward collision warning there, so one of the many safety features you have. Headlights and turn signals and intermittent wipers. Rear wipers over here as well as the intermittents, hands-free calling and voice command, and the driver information center menu accessed with the arrows there, so you can take a little scroll through to see all the info that you need to know here about your new 2020 GMC Terrain. A volume control behind the steering wheel, and you have push start ignition. Onboard navigation with turn-by-turn. Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. Different user profiles, so the benefit here is you're driving with a paired device. Of course you are. One of your passengers may have a paired device as well. When you sign in as the driver, it's going to revert to your phone first and foremost. And you have the OnStar services, including that Wi-Fi hotspot. Hazards. Dual zone climate control for heating and air conditioning. AC button. Fan speed operator. Front and rear defrosters. And the precision shifter. 12 volt USB, USB-C, and auxiliary SD card slot there is for the onboard navigation. Side-by-side cup holders, heated seats, both driver and passenger side, and you got the lane keep system, so when this is activated, it's going to guide you gently back into your lane if you start to drift out. Armrest flips up, you have storage space below, 2 more USB ports, and you also have removable coin tray. OnStar services located again just above, overhead lighting on both sides, and sunglass storage. Take a walk around to the rear of the vehicle and check out the profile from there. You've got the rear parking sensors, and you also have the power lift gate, so using the key fob there to operate that, just pressing it twice. You've got the remote start, and you also have the alarm function. And there's a look at the storage space available too at the seats currently up in the back row, back seats there. 60-40 split, tie downs, 12 volt power, and you also have those pull tabs there, so you can get those seats to fold down nice and flat. And the passenger seat will fold down flat as well there, so get those both rows of those folded down, and the front seat. Get all kinds of storage there into the back of this Terrain. Storage below, and you're also going to find the spare tire. And to close up the hatch, you can use the key fob once again, or simply press this button here, and it's going to safely and securely snap back into place. All cloth upholstery through here, room for 3 across the back. And you also have the fold down armrest with cup holders. Rear venting and 2 USB ports. You're also going to find 3-prong power there below. And yeah, you're getting the car mats as well. We just don't have them plugged in here yet. I want to get a look at this 2020 as soon as possible. And you've got the stitching, the wood grain trim notes, and nice deep tinted glass throughout the vehicle. You have the body colored grille accents there. You also have the integrated turn signals and keyless entry at all 4 doors and up above. You got those roof racks to give you even more cargo potential. That's going to complete your look around this 2020 GMC Terrain. If you want to see this one in person, you'll find us at Mills Motors, 240 Bond Street East in Oshawa, where we always do whatever it takes.